The following is operational video of a HARDINGE HLV-H-EM Super Precision Tool Room Lathe, serial number 15257.
Alright, let's go ahead and full start, spindle on. I'll run through faster. 750. Bring it back down. Go back up a little bit. Alright, so our spindle's looking good. We're going to go ahead and do the automatic feed. We've got it going out right now. Let's switch it, bring it back in. Turn that off. Bring it that way, increase the speed. Back the other way. And then off. Alright, we're going to go ahead and stop it for a moment. Turn threading on. Alright. Turn it on. Threading back. Off. Brakes. Back off. Pretty much it. And power off.
Alright, once again, preceding video was a HARDINGE HLV-H-EM Super Precision Tool Room, serial number 15257.